Project 1, Task 1. Set the application default font to 12-point Arial for this document only. Set the application default font to 12-point Arial for this document only. Okay, to do this, you select the Home tab, then in the font group, you select the font dialog box launcher, then right here, just put in Arial and to 12 points. Select 12 points. Okay, 12 point size, then select set as default. Do you want to set the default font to Arial 12 points for this document only? Okay, so select this and click OK. Okay, that is done. Then mark completed. Then task 2, project 1, task 2. Configure Word to save auto recovery information every 7 minutes. Configure Word to save auto recovery information every 7 minutes. Okay, to do this, you click on the File tab, then you select Options, then select Save. Save auto recover information every 7 minutes. Okay, just adjust this to 7 minutes. You can just press the Enter keyboard to close the page and mark complete. And task 3. In the blank space between the last paragraph in Kites Festivals and edit more info, insert the Kites Festival.xlsx file from the geometries templates folder. Future changes to the kites_festival.xlsx file should automatically update MO-111 kites.docx. So in the blank space between the last paragraph in Kites Festivals and the edit more info, insert the kites_festivals.xlsx file from the geometries templates folder. Future changes to the kites_festivals.xlsx file should automatically update MO-111 kites.docx. Okay, to do this, you just put down to the space between last paragraph and the edit more info. Okay, just click there, then you select the Insert tab, click on Insert tab, then the text group. So the drop down arrow next to Object, select Object. Okay, then you select the Create from File tab, then you select Link to File. So it should automatically update. Okay, just click on Link to File and click on Browse. Then in the geometrics template folder, you click on geometrics template folder. Then this is the file kites_festivals, and you click Insert. Okay, click OK. It's still loading. Still loading. Still loading. Okay, that is it. So task 3 mark completed. Now task 4. Prevent users from changing the theme or style set. Do not enforce protection. Prevent users from changing the theme or style set. Do not enforce protection. Okay, to do this, you can just click on the review tab, then restrict editing. Okay, so under the formatting restriction, just click setting. Okay, then prevent users from changing theme or style set. So you can just select this box, block theme and skin switch, and select this as well, block quick style set switch. Okay, click OK, and that is done. So task 4 mark complete. Now task 5, you can close this. So encrypt this document with the password. Encrypt this document with the password. Okay, the password is given as password. Okay, so to do this, just click on the file tab, then select info, and select protect document, encrypt with password. Encrypt with password. Okay, you type the password given, starting with capital letter P, uppercase, so then to ensure you enter the correct password, click OK and re-enter the password. Okay, uppercase P, uppercase at okay, that is done. So task 5 mark completed. Okay, so great project. Correct.